Hello, my name is Paula Dunn, and I'm the founder and CEO of No Limits Consulting. I am a leadership expert for teenage girls. We are best known for helping teens create confidence to conquer life their way. Since the recent events with the coronavirus crisis and talks about potential fear of Year 12 students failing, falling behind, and potentially having to repeat their final year again in 2021. The online world has never been more critical to ensure student academic success during these uncertain times. But at what price to a student's mental and physical well-being? At No Limits Consulting, we've always known the importance of cultivating a leadership mindset in our next generation of teens, regardless of what's going on in the world around them. So why let environment dictate their future when they can create their own future themselves? So for teens that are wanting to create confidence to conquer life during 2020, I have an upcoming online workshop during the school holidays on the 15th of April. For more information, click on the link below to register your daughter or son to this awesome 3-hour workshop event. My name is Paula Dunn, the founder and CEO of No Limits Consulting, leadership expert for teenage girls.